Hi, everybody. Mrs. Hollinger here. We're working on our second app, okay? Our second app, which is called Talk to Me. Now, we don't necessarily have to do the second part, okay? You only have to do the first part. Now, here are the directions. It's going to be the same as when you were on Hello Cody. We still have the palette. We have components. We've got the properties. Down here, we've got media. If you notice, we don't have any media to upload and it all looks the same. We're going to switch between the designer, which is where we pull things in, to the blocks, which is where we actually code and tell it what to do. Okay, so for this one, it goes over more of the information um, about, the different components and what that looks like, which we already have. Okay, we've already gone over that, so I'm going to go ahead and skip that. So our first step is going to be adding a button. So I have to click on user interface. So if you find that you can't find the button, see how many different options there are. Make sure that you click through them until you find the one that says button, because I promise it's there. Okay. All right. Now we're going to change the name of the button. All right, sorry about that. I know there was a break in that video. I got a phone call that I had to take. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to pull the button over. When we pull the button over, we're going to rename it to Talk to Me. So now that we're on button, come down here where it says text, text for button 1, and we're going to put Talk to Me. Okay. All right, so now that should change right here for you. Talk to me. Woohoo! All right, now that's it for pulling in the button. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add a text-to-speech component, okay? So you need to come down here and you need to choose media, not the media over here on the right, but the media that's in the palette. You want the media palette, okay? And here you're going to see text-to-speech and you're going to go ahead and pull it over. Now, just like the sounds, it's not going to show up on your actual program. It's underneath, okay? Non-visible components, which is fine. Don't worry, it's still there. All right, so now that's it for the components. So we're going to go ahead and switch over to the blocks section. And here we're going to go ahead and we're going to look for the button, button, and we're going to choose button 1 dot click, okay, just like we did with the last one. Now, we're going to drop in a text to speech dot speak block. Now, I know this is a little confusing because it says text to speech dot speak. What they meant was call talk to speech dot speak, okay? And we're going to click it in just like we did the last time. Now, we need to go ahead and go on to the next step. Now from here, the last part is to drag a text block so that we can tell it what it says when we click on text to speech. When it says talk to me, when you click on that button, we want it to say something. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on text. We're going to choose this one here at the very top and click it in just like we did last time. Now, in here, you're going to go ahead and put congratulations, you made your first app. Now, if you want to put something else in there, it is okay, but just make sure it is school appropriate. So just as an FYI, the first time I did this, I did it with my 10-year-old, and I had put in there MJ smells bad, and I said, listen to this app that I just made, listen, and that's what it said whenever he clicked on it. He was like, this is so silly. So now that we have that done, okay, the next step, of course, would be to test your app. So at this point, what we're going to do is we're going to scroll up, we're going to do connect, okay? We're going to do connect and we're going to do the AI companion. And just like before, you're going to go ahead and scan the QR code or you're going to put in this code right here onto your phone where you have your app, okay? Where you have your app. So let me show you the app itself. It's right here. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, we're going to click on it. You have an option. You can either scan the QR code or you can put in the code itself, okay? I'm not sure if you can see that or not, but I'm going to choose the blue one, which is scan QR code. I'm going to go ahead and scan it. It will tell me to continue here on the screen. Okay. And then you will get your application. So now when I click on Talk to Me, it says, congratulations, you made your first app. And then you are officially done with the Talk to Me app. You'll want to go ahead and save this project as, okay? Save project as Talk to Me, and that's what you're going to upload to me in Buzz. All right, if you have any questions, please let me know.